Hello everyone, this is Lina from Hengyin. Today I would like to introduce our gestation crate. Gestation crate is used for sows when they are pregnant. It can improve the feeding capacity per unit area and reduce the optation rate. And also it can improve piglets productivity. Let's see the product details. These are galvanized steel pipes. It is hot dip galvanized after Holy welding. The outside pipe is 1-inch pipe. Its diameter is 33.5 millimeter, and the inside pipe it is 1/2 inch pipe. Its diameter is 21.3 millimeter. And above the gestation, there are 3 pipes to prevent pig going out. This is our gestation feeder. We usually use long stainless steel feeder for gestation crate, and it can reduce the cost. Also easy for clean, and also can reduce the feed waste. This is our back door. It is easy to open and close. Open and close. So it is very convenient for artificial insemination. We have many different sizes and different types for customers' choice. If you have any request for it, we can customize for you.